Hi my lovelies, welcome back to another Spruce News video. So today, as you can see from the title, we're going to be doing this slick back hair tutorial. So it's really simple, really easy to follow, and it's a great way if you need something different or you want to try something different with your hair. And yes, it doesn't really contain many products either, so it's very, very easy to follow, probably with products you already have at home. So before we get into the tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with all your friends. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so what I do first is just brush my hair, and I've just got a paddle brush. This is by Mark Hill, and I just brush my hair all the way through just to get rid of any knots. If I look this way, it's because I've got a mirror here, by the way. So I just brush it through, and that just gets rid of any knots in my hair. Normally when I create this look, I like to have like 1 or 2 day old hair, just because I find it easier to work with. Usually 2 days is better because it's a little bit greasier and it kind of slicks back a lot easier. When it's softer and like when you freshly wash your hair, it's just really difficult to manage and it kind of doesn't stay where you want it to stay. So I washed my hair yesterday, so I really don't know how well it's going to come out, but we'll see. What I would normally do is take dry shampoo. I have this one by Beauties, and it's just the Floral Flirty Blush, and I would take that and I'd literally just put it in my hair. And what this would do, it just kind of adds just a little bit more volume, not in the same way that maybe backcombing or using hairspray or mousse or anything like that would, but it just kind of gives it a little bit of a lift. I have freshly washed my hair and I want to create this look. I would usually go in with my Tony & Guy Label M Volume Mousse. So this is just something that I would use if I have freshly washed hair, and it's just because it will give me that look that I need and kind of stability that I need, but I'm not going to use that today. But I'll pop that in my description box below if you want to check it out. I think you can get it at maybe a Sally's or just in a Tony & Guy hairdressers. So now I'm going to take a back comb and I'm going to just tease, just gently. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. Just tease your hair back like so. And it depends how much volume you want at the front. So I don't like a lot of volume, I just like it to be slicked back a lot more than it is naturally. I just like a slick back look. I don't like a poof and a slick back. I don't really like that look. And then I have my GHD Final Fix hairspray, which is this amazing hairspray. This is so good, by the way. And I just literally take it, shake the bottle, and just spritz slightly to begin with. You don't want to spritz too much because you don't want your hair to come out really shiny. You still want it to look relatively clean and not like so shiny that it looks greasy. So I'm going to tease it just a bit more now. I'm just going to keep doing this until I feel like I've got the back look that I want, if you know what I mean. As you can see, it's already starting to go into that shape. And I'm just going to hairspray again, but this time with a lot more. Take it from a good distance so it doesn't look really shiny. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to start taking this back comb and just slowly start brushing it down, but lightly, because you don't want it to look like you've brushed like so slick to your head, and you don't want to brush out all of the teasing that you've just done, just because it will help keep it in place. I love this look, like red carpet style look. I think I need to tease this bit a bit more. In any areas that you feel aren't going your way, because my hair's quite soft, I just tease it and then hairspray it again. I know some people like to use wax or gel or mousse or whatever it is that they feel works for them. I quite like using hairspray just because I find that it gives it that hold and not like the over shininess, which is not really what I like. I don't have very thick hair, I've just got quite a lot of hair. Right, so now I've got that shape, I just brush my hair to the back, And then I just, again, final hairspray. And this time I'd like to use quite a lot of it, but from a distance. Like with my fingers, I'll just kind of tease it in so it slicks back, gets rid of any like straggly bits that I usually have. Just smooth it down. Oh, I went a bit too close to my head then. But smooth it down. I usually get what I call my horns, which is like my little like broken hair or baby hair that just sticks up. So now that is done. And that's it. So that is literally how I slick my hair back. And what I would sometimes do, depending on how my hair is, I can take like some bobby pins and I'd kind of grip them behind my ear if I feel like my hair's gonna fall like this way, or you could just take like a little bottle of hairspray in your bag. I just quite like this look, just how it is. I just think it's really quite sleek, and I think it looks really great if you've got like a strapless dress or like thin straps, or you want something a bit more glam. I just think it looks lovely. So yeah. So there we are, guys. Told you, really simple to follow. One thing I forgot to mention within those clips is that you should probably straighten your hair first. If you have got kind of curly hair, wavy hair, or your hair's just not naturally straight sleek, probably is best to straighten it first and then do your back combing and kind of slick back, just because I'm not too sure how it would look with curly hair, if I'm quite honest. I don't have really curly hair, so I can't really show you, but I would definitely recommend it. If you want like the sleek straight look, then definitely straighten your hair first. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to, again, like, comment, subscribe, share, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.